Again, your party chairman is fingered in another issue as it relates to misconduct. If you
Well,
want to put it
I'm
that
not
way.
going to say it's any misconduct. I don't know that he has been, an action has been brought against him, and it being a court matter, I wouldn't comment on
But
it.
aren't you concerned as the leader of the party? This is not the first time these issues are coming up with Mr. Hughes.
If I'm concerned,
If you're concerned, as the leader of the AFC, him being
look,
the chairman.
personal actions brought against members by other members is a thing that is ongoing, especially with people around this country. And so, quite frankly, we'll have to await the outcome of it.
But are you concerned as the leader of the party?
Concern in what sense are you saying?
The chairman of your party, again, is being named in a matter.
Well, as I said, that's a personal matter. He will resolve that matter, I'm certain, one way or the other. And that's the end of it. I do not want to go breach court actions now by breaching the sub judice rule, as you
No,
know.
but I'm asking, as it relates to as the head of the party, are you as an individual concerned about these allegations?
There
against
is
Mr.
nothing
Hughes?
to be concerned about. If indeed there is an answer that he will be filing or whatever it is, the court will be dealing with that.
Are you
And
concerned
so
about the 300 students who are preparing for exams?
Do you believe that it'll have any implications, any of these things that are happening that involves Mr. Hughes personally, whether this will have any implication with the AFC as a political party?
I doubt whether.
Talk
I
about
doubt whether
transparency
because of the fact
and
that
accountability.
I am absolutely certain that it will be matter that he has an answer to, and that will be resolved shortly.
And to what level have you had discussions with Mr. Hughes so far since the allegations have surfaced?
I haven't had any discussions with him on the matter because it's a personal matter.
Thank you. Just wanted a quick comment from you with regards to what is happening at the Mays school there. We got over 300 students who are preparing for exams.
Yes.
The whole situation there. Your comment as leader of the opposition.
I cannot comment on the legal implications of the matter. These are before the court, and of course, I don't know enough about the transactions, so I can't comment. But what I could say is that the children's education should not be jeopardized, and it is my hope that some settlement could be reached to allow the children to sit the exams. And I think that from the time Mays arrived on the scene of private education, as a pioneer of private education, and from the surface, it seems that there was no fault on the side of Mrs. French. So I look forward to an outcome which could benefit the children and which could perhaps avoid their missing the examinations or they're missing any part of the schooling. I think it would be a great pity, but again, I can't comment on the legal implications of the actions which have been taken because I just don't know.
But are you concerned as a leader of the opposition? This is the chairman of one of the opposition parties being fingered continuously in these sorts of transactions.
No, I can't express an opinion on that because I don't know what the legal implications are. I don't know about fault. I don't know who is is responsible, so I can't comment on that.
But it's public knowledge. I mean, this is not the first time his name is being is turning up in these sorts of issues. Are you concerned as the leader of the opposition?
I don't know enough to express concern. My concern is with the children's welfare. I hope that nothing happens to influence or to negatively influence the children's education and the examinations. I don't know enough about the case to make a comment about the involvement of any attorney or any other party. I'm hoping for an outcome that would benefit the children.
All right, thank you, sir.